So me and Fishy are out on a little explore. We've come across this beautiful abandoned Victorian style pavilion. Oh, it's a sauna. Look at that, Baba. Nice little sauna. That's in some steamy nights. No dead bodies in there. So this is pretty cool. Look like I had a little fire pit as well. Only a little explore this one. But then, oh, what's this? Look at that place, proper mock Tudor, beautiful house. We haven't been inside it yet, we've literally just got here, so let's make our way. Try and be a bit careful because we don't want to get seen. There'll be some weird noises in here because there's windows open and all sorts going on. So the wind's a bit sloppy. Okay, this way in. Just going to grab my bag. There we go. Might be a bit dark in here. I haven't got my torch on me. I hope you got your phone torch. Oh wow, dude! Oh, look at that! Wow, is all I can say.
Where do I start?
That is awesome.
That's like...
What a beautiful staircase. Seeing there is a bath right in the middle there. This is just getting some pictures, so got to love a bit of oak panel there. Look at that. That's an entrance and a half, isn't it? Ooh. So this one's up for demolition. Wow. What a sad end. Oh no. You're joking. Oh, there is as well. I have to stick Fishy because I ain't got my torch. Look at that. Even still plays a tune. Can't remember the rest. Look at that, look at the detail on there, mate. Sorry, it's gone a bit dark. Look at that.
Oh, I need to come out with my flash.
Awesome, what a place. Big fireplace. Look at the pillars on that fireplace. Oh. Right, let's get my torch on. torch. Look at that for a fireplace. That is lush. Bathroom. Yo. Ooh. Shower. So, beautiful building. Looks like they've already started stripping it out. This room, fishy. This room, fishy. Fishy. God, you've got to see this. They've ruined it because they took all the oak panels out. But look at the ceiling, dude. Dude, check that ceiling out. What? This room would have been full of oak panels all the way around. So they started stripping it. Look at that. Guys, that is an awesome ceiling. Wow. This is a right little treasure trove, this one, isn't it?
You've struck gold. This is jackpot.
Bloody hell. Yeah, it's not probably the windows knocking upstairs in the wind. We're outside the house. So. I need to, I am going to actually go live for a bit. I'm just going to finish with the GoPro, mate, and then I'm going to go live. Because this is banging. A bit lighter up here, I'll stay away from the windows. Oh, there's an oak room. There we go. There's an oak room up here, mate. That goes back down to the stairs. Don't fancy that. So I've got a good look around. This is a good one to real cool little explore before it comes down. These are the outhouses. Can't really see a lot, I'm afraid. Some din low forgot his torch.